The sun is out, the sky is blue. Let's pack a basket, me and you. With sandwiches and juice so sweet, it's time for a very special treat. With sandwiches and juice so sweet, it's time for a very special treat. Picnic, picnic, hip hooray, we're having a picnic today. On our blanket, let's all meet for yummy things we love to eat. Picnic, picnic, hip